Hello everyone. So we will discuss further about the carbohydrate. What is its main function? A small overview of the carbohydrate. I will be providing this video to you all, and what is the basic function of carbohydrate? How it is very important in our diet. Why should we take a carbohydrate in our diet? First point is that carbohydrate, 1 gram of carbohydrate provide 4 kilocalories of energy. Okay, where the carbohydrate is stored, it is a form of energy. Where it is stored basically in liver and muscle in the form of glycogen. And third point is it provide carbon in case of when there is carbon for the synthesis of cell component, when there is a reaction in DNA and RNA. Okay. The third point is that very important, and you must know, at least know about it, the formation of adipose tissue. What is the formation of adipose tissue? When there is excess of carbohydrate in our body, in our diet, in that case the carbohydrate is get stored in the uh, converted to fat, and that is stored, deposit in the adipose tissue. What are the adipose tissue? These are the tissue which provide insulation to organs. Like we have a kidney, we have organs on which there is a layer of fat, that is adipose tissue. So when you eat carbohydrate, the excess amount of carbohydrate is converted to fat and it go and stored in the adipose tissue. In case if there is an excess of fat, we have we you if we eat over carbohydrate, then it that convert excess of fat, and that in that case excess of adipose tissue we will get, and which will converted in our body, um, we can say, convert overweight and make our body obese. Okay, so we must take carbohydrate in our diet, but in a proper quantity. Next, protein, how it help to in the action of protein. If your body have adequate amount of carbohydrate, then the energy which it need from the carbohydrate it will take. Okay, but in case there is a deficiency of carbohydrate in your body, then our body stop, or we can interrupt in the action of protein. There is some other action, there are some other function of protein in our body, but if there is a lack of carbohydrate in your diet, in that case our body start taking energy from protein, and it will basically it will interrupt in its function. Next, it is health benefit. What is health benefit of carbohydrate? In some type of carbohydrate which are not digested in our body, in that case that indigested carbohydrate is stored in our intestine, and bacteria ferment it and it provide other health benefits. Next, it to prevent formation of ketones. What is the formation ketone? What is the main function of ketone and how it is formed? Formation of ketone means in the absence of carb, our body used to break down fat for the to get the energy from it. But in case, for the breaking of fat in our body, even in that case we need a little amount of carbohydrate. But if there is an absence of a carbohydrate, then fat break down, and when the fat, in that case when the fat is not break down completely, there is a compound formed ketone. And a ketone, most cell use that ketone to take energy from it. But in case there is an excess of ketone in the body, that is also not good for our body, it is harmful. That in case it will harm our body.